welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're gonna study about science. So there are different types of science. In the 19th century, physical sciences were divided into 5 distinct parts. The first one is physics, then chemistry, astronomy, geology and meteorology. The most fundamental of these is physics. So there are different types of physics. Let me explain you. So guys, there are different branches of physics. So the first one is mechanics. It is the study of motion of object, its causes and effects. So the second one is heat. It deals with the nature of heat, its modes of transfer and its effects. So heat in the branch of heat, we study about its mode of transfer and its effects. The third one is sound. It deals with the physical aspects of sound waves, its production, properties and application. The fourth one is light. It deals with the physical aspects of light, its properties, working and use of optical instruments. Next one is electricity and magnetism. It is the study of the charges at rest and in motion, their effects and their relationship with magnetism. So the next one is atomic physics. This is a study of structure and properties of atoms within the molecule. So the next one is nuclear physics. It deals with the properties and behavior of nuclei and the particles within the nuclei. The next one is plasma physics. It is the study of production properties of the ionic state of matter, the fourth state of matter. In a daily life, we hardly find a device where physics is not involved. Consider pulleys that make it easy to lift heavy loads. Electricity is not only used to get light and heat, but also mechanical energy that derives fans and electric motors, etc. Consider the means of transportation such as car, aeroplanes, domestic appliances such as air conditioner, refrigerators, vacuum cleaners, washing machines, and etc. Similarly, the means of communication such as radio, TV, telephone, and computer are the results of applications of physics. These devices have made our lives much easier, faster, and comfortable than the past. For example, think of what a smaller mobile phone can do in our palm. It allows us to contact people anywhere in the world and to get latest worldwide information. We can take and save pictures, send and receive messages of our friends. We can also receive radio transmission and can use it as a calculator as well. However, the scientific inventions have also caused harms and the destruction of serious nature, one of which is environmental pollution and the other is deadly weapons. So about this, we will discover this topic in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and take care of yourself.